Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are going to be doing my Grove unboxing. So let's go ahead and see. I've got my swimsuit on because it's Saturday, and on Saturday I clean and swim and have all kinds of fun stuff that I do not need to do my makeup for yet. So, but I still wanted to unbox my Grove because there may be cleaning products in here. I have such a bad memory. I forget what I order each month. But, so they always send this little guy. Sometimes it has like your cleaning schedule. Right now they're promoting like essential oil type of stuff. So I always get to look through here, see what I like. But then now let's see what I bought. Right now I'm kind of on my, I didn't really need much, but I had a few things that I wanted to get. And this one is Rooted Purifying Facial Towelettes. And let me smell this while I have it, because now that I just have a clean face with no makeup, all my blemishes and everything, oh yeah, it's got a fresh, clean smell. Really nice. I don't know what the smell is, but I like it. Of course, I always get my room spray in the lemon verbena. I just love it so much. And these little bottles are so cute. They look like the old seltzer bottles. I also picked up in a lilac scent some hand soap. That's where I get all my cleaning products. Oh, look it, there I go. I wanted some lilac cleaning surface as well. And then I see one more, and it's probably, nope, this is a Peonies dish soap, and I have one of these. It smells so good. So I grabbed that one. Oh, I got this. They have really good girl products, guys. Girl products, girls. Or guys who don't want to go to the store for their girlfriends or wives. That's the way to do it. So, that's about all I got except for my favorite, which every time I order now, I just order these little honey soothers. They're literally little bits of honey. And this one is 99% honey, and it's for your cough. So, and they come in these little guys, and they taste just like honey. So that's it. I didn't get a big, huge haul, but I know a lot of you guys subscribe to Grove and want to subscribe to Grove, so I wanted to share that with you. So I'll put a link down below if you want to check out your own Grove. They're always having specials, so if you use the link, sometimes they give you like a whole entire like free set sometimes. Sometimes they give you certain things. They always, when you're a VIP member, they give me free stuff. So, I don't know. I hope you guys like it. And give me a thumbs up for posting my little Grove unboxing. And I'll be doing some crafts today after I get done swimming. I know it's early, but in Arizona, you can swim at 2 o'clock in the morning during the summer because the weather is, or the pool is so nice. So, all right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.